take out your Chromebooks.
Hey, Mr. Dallas, I just got a surprise for you.
Surprise? Oh really? Can you show it to me, Dark Plutocrat?
Okay, here it is.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Stop. You're hurting me. Somebody help me get the dogs off of me.
I am it, Mr. Dallas.
Thanks, Hilda, for saving my life. And someone did this. Wait a minute, it's Dark Plutocrat. Are you one brought dogs into my class? That's it. Go to principal office.
So Dark Plutocrat, what did you do to make you come to my office?
Well, Principal Eric, my teacher Mr. Dallas snaps me to your office, because I brought dogs into class, and caused them to attack them like crazy.
Dark Plutocrat, this is the school, not the Pets Care Center. I can't believe you brought dogs into your teacher Mr. Dallas' class, and caused them to attack him like crazy. You must make him die. That's it. You are suspended from this school for the week. Go home now.
Dark Plutocrat, you stupid jackass. Your principal called us up and he notified that you brought dogs into your teacher Mr. Dallas' class, and caused them to attack him like crazy.
Moreover, your school is not the pet scare center. What if he got succumbed made by you dogs? Huh? And because you must kill him, you are grounded for 34 weeks. Now get moving to your freezer room now and don't come out until you learn your serious mistake. Additionally, you're banned bringing pets and other animals into class ever.
Yeah.